to Success in English. Unit 2. Chores, chores all around. Lesson 4. Grammar, the present continuous tense. Objectives. 1. The students should be able to form different types of sentences using the present continuous tense. 2. They should identify the uses of this tense. Contents. 1. How to form affirmative and negative sentences using the present continuous tense. 2. When to use this tense. 3. Varied questions on the grammatical rules. How to form affirmative and negative sentences using the present continuous tense. Form. We'd like to present in this lesson another tense related to the present called present continuous. The term itself indicates having a compound. We form it by be plus the base verb plus ing. The base in the ing are known as the present participle when used as the main verb of the tense, which is different from the gerund. Since we are now talking about the present, the three forms of the verb be in the present, is, are, am, are to be taken into account. Why do we have three forms? Simply remember the principle of subject-verb agreement. Look at these examples to see the way they are applied. I am having an English class now. My sister is studying for her exam at the moment. We are playing chess right now. It's much easier now to negate the statements as the auxiliary verb is already there. Just add not in the middle after the auxiliary and before the main verb, and you will get a negative statement. Examples. I'm not having an Arabic class now. She isn't having fun right now. They aren't working at the moment. When to use tense. Function or use. Usually, to get the uses of any tense, you have to focus on the clues provided within the context. Thus, if you reconsider all the above examples, you can notice adverbs of time like now and at the moment. These can clarify that the present continuous can be used to express the activity which is going on exactly at the moment of speaking. Therefore, when somebody says, "I'm having a meeting now," we should excuse him for being busy and unable to talk to us. Have you ever realized the word live on the screen while watching some programs on television? This is what can best describe the present continuous, as the program is transmitted directly on air and what we see or hear is going on now. In certain sentences, these key words might not appear. What meaning do they convey by then? Let's see this example. My brother is studying law abroad. This doesn't necessarily mean being involved in the action at the moment, but at least at the time being, or around now. This can show the second use of this tense. In short, both cases, whether we talk about things happening now or around now, indicate a similarity in their nature. Both are unstable and they are subject to change. What you are doing now will come to an end, and it can never happen again. Thus, any action expressed by the present continuous is considered as changeable or temporary. Having in mind the two present tenses, we have to pay attention now to a group of verbs called state verbs. These verbs are usually fixed in nature as they show states, not actions. Grammatically speaking, they do not usually accept being used in progressive tenses, one of which is the present continuous. Rather, they are normally prone to appear in the simple tenses. Examples of these are love, hate, prefer, like, dislike, etc., which belong to emotion verbs. To exemplify, look at this pair of sentences. I love you. Not, I'm loving you. Other verbs which undergo the same classification include believe, mean, understand, know, etc. These are known as the mind verbs. Beliefs and opinions are also stable and do not go up and down from time to time. A teacher can encourage and support his student, saying, I believe you are clever, not, I'm believing in you. The verbs cost, own, look, feel, seem, and smell, among others, belong also to this group of verbs. So not all verbs can be used in the continuous tenses, although they represent continuity. Varied questions on the grammatical rules. Exercise 1. Choose the right form of the present continuous tense to fill the blanks below. 1. My children blank in the garden now. My children are playing in the garden now. 2. Baha blank a story at the moment. Baha is writing a story at the moment. 3. I blank 4 courses this semester. I am having 4 courses this semester. 4. We blank exercises today. We are not doing exercises today. 5. My sister and I blank cake. My sister and I are making cake. 6. The employees blank a strike these days. The employees are having a strike these days. 7. Our teacher blank to this class. Our teacher is not coming to this class. 8. The band blank music now. The band is playing music now. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks below with the present simple or the present continuous of the verb in brackets. 1. Today I blank to school by bus. Today I am going to school by bus. 2. She blank eating chili food. She loves eating chili food. 3. I'm tired now. I blank to sleep. I want to sleep. 4. My daughter blank great in this dress. My daughter looks great in this dress. 5. The boss blank on his way. He blank to the meeting. The boss is on his way. He is coming to the meeting. 6. I blank having early classes. I don't like having early classes. 7. Her son blank well today. He has blank a fever. Her son doesn't feel well today. He is having a fever. 8. Everybody blank. English is a universal language. Everybody thinks English is a universal language. Vocabulary. 1. Temporary. Temporary means not lasting forever. 2. Reconsider. Reconsider is check again. 3. Progressive. Progressive or continuous.